open A string, first finger, second fret of D, which is the 4th string, second finger, second fret of the G, which is the 3rd string, and the 3rd finger on the second fret of the B, which is the 2nd string, and the high E string is open. You'll see me playing this chord with fingers 2, 3, and 4 rather than 1, 2, and 3 because I find it easier to fit my fingers in on the fretboard there, but it's the same chord. So for the rhythm, we're going to strum down, 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 up, down. And on the last 2 strums there, we're going to take the fingers off the guitar to hear the open strings. So it'll be down, 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 up, off, off. One more time. Down, 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 up, off, off. We'll then move to our B minor chord. So first finger bar on the 2nd fret, finger 3 on the 4th fret of the 4th string, the D string, pinky finger on the 4th fret of the G string, the 3rd string, and the 2nd finger on the 3rd fret of the B string, which is the 2nd string. Here we don't want to hit the low E string, we're just going to strum from the A string, the 5th string down. Rhythm is exactly the same. Down, 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 up, and then off, off. Down, 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 up, off. Next chord is the D major chord. That's an open D string, the 4th string. First finger on the 2nd fret of the G string, which is the 3rd string. 3rd finger, 3rd fret of the B string, the 2nd string. And then the 2nd finger here on the high E string, the 1st string at the 2nd fret. Again, the strumming is exactly the same. Down, 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 up, off, off. And then back to the A chord that we're going to kind of use to end the whole progression here. So it's the same A chord, same rhythm as well. Down, 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 up. We then go back to the A chord again. So it's A for 2 bars, B minor for 2 bars, D for 2 bars, and then A for 2 bars before we repeat. So the whole thing is A, 1, 2, 3, 4, down, down.